So now, okay, I think your front panel is look like this, right? Yes or no? Your front panel is look like this and block diagram is like this. How can we change our front panel and block diagram? The appearance. We will talk about the appearance. Okay. It is also come under the lab view environment. So for that, I don't like this color. This kind of okay grid I don't like. So I want to change my appearance. So for that, and one more thing, wait, I'm going to show you. Okay, first let's discuss about the style. Style. Okay. So whenever you will write in front panel, you will get this modern control objects by default. So let's take one modern control numeric, one modern control indicator, one modern boolean control, one modern boolean indicator, one modern string means path control, okay, and array. It's our modern, okay. It is my modern type. Look at here. These are the numeric with the same family. These are the boolean with the same family. It is a string, third family, path, okay, and it's array. It is array. Now, if you, I come into the silver and I will click. So if I will use silver, so silver numeric will look like this. This is silver numeric control. This is silver numeric indicator. Okay. This boolean, silver numeric boolean indicator. It is a silver string control. Okay. It's path. Okay. It's silver array control. So look at here. This numeric, this numeric, this numeric, this numeric. This four numeric from the same. This one. This four numeric from the same class. Everything is same in the block diagram. Look at here. Okay. So let's segregate. Keep all array together. Keep all numeric together. All string together. Okay. So what is the just difference in the visualization? Just different in the looks. Okay. So here just different. So it is style. So we have some more style like right click system. So I have some system style. If you I want to take the system numeric, so it will the system numeric control. Okay. If I want to take system in numeric, indicator, so it will be look like this. Okay. Sorry. Okay. It will look like this. Okay. If I want to take system boolean, so boolean will look like this. Okay. If I want to take string, so it is a string. So everything are same. Look at here. This is look at here. These are same. Just difference on the visualization. So whatever you want to use, you can use what kind of okay, whatever kind of style you want to like, so you can use. As mostly in this time, I use either this NXG or I use this system because I like this one. Okay. Sometime when I need some more kind of visualization concept, that's why at that time I use this modern. So how can I access only my NXG style without any hindrance, without any problem? So for that, look at here, right click, right click. If you right click, then you will get this control palette. Drag it. If you drag it, So in the bottom, okay, you will get there visual item concepts. Okay, if you will not get, then there is one more options. Right click here, pinning. Now customize. Now customize. Okay, right click, pin here. Now customize. In the customizing, change visual palette. Click on the not in option. Click here, change visual palette. If you will click the change visual palette, so you will get all those kind of the, okay, all those list of material which you will get in the front panel. So I am going to deselect modern, silver, classic and express. Okay, now I'm selecting NXG style and system style and okay. So from so now if I will right click, so I can access only NXG style. Please do this thing. Now right click here. Okay, now come into the front panel, come to the tools. Okay, in the tools, come into the tools. In the tools, okay, right click, come in the, you can also click here and come into the option. Click on tool and come into the option. Click in the option. If you will click in the option, then option window will open. In the option window, you will get, in the option window, you will get, in the option window, you will get categories. In the categories, the first one is the front panel. So this grid concept is, I don't like this grid. Okay, so for that, select in the front panel, come here and click show front panel grid disable. Show front panel grid disable. Okay, now come into the environment. Come into the environment. And this environment, first front panel, click on the front panel, come into this front panel grid, deselect, okay, uncheck box. Now come into the environment, come down, now you will get the color. Okay, now you will get the color of front panel. So the color of front panel is right now this gray color. Let's check. Click here and change the color whatever you like. If you want, you can change it into the blue also. Okay, and if you want to change the color of block diagram, so you can change the color of block diagram also. And okay, if you will press the okay, so now you can, okay, so now again right click, come to the tools, options, now come to the environment. Okay, there is one more, this is block diagram. Okay, this one is the block diagram. After the front panel, this one is block diagram. In this block diagram, if you want, then you can open the grid. Okay, so now you will get the grid in block diagram. If you will get, okay, so by using this grid, you can adjust and you can select position and others very efficiently. Okay, but I don't like grid in the block diagram also. Just because I will come here, come into the tools, I will come in the options, and then I will go in the category section, I will click the block diagram to access the block diagram window. Now I will come here and I will click this grid. Okay, there's so many other things. We will see how we can use, okay, one by one. Okay, done.